How to enable Face ID on Bybit application. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are on Bybit app and want to enable Face ID for quicker and more secure access, here's how you do it, so follow along. First of all, launch open the Bybit application on your smartphone or your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After you're logged in, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top left corner from the home screen. Now you'll end up in this page where you'll need to click the gear icon at the top right, and this will take you to User Center. Inside the page, click on Security. Now, once you're inside the Security tab, tap on App Lock at the bottom of the screen. Now on the next page, tap on Toggle button right next to Face ID. You may be able to see the Face ID, biometric or biometric authentication option in this page. Go ahead and toggle on the switch that you want. Now in order to turn on any of those Face ID options, you'll need to enter your login password for Bybit. Go ahead and do that. After typing down your login password, click on Confirm, and this will scan your Face ID or your biometrics. Go ahead and follow through the on-screen instructions and you'll be able to turn on the Face ID on Bybit application. So that's it. You can now enjoy faster, more convenient and secure access to your account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.